Welcome back, beginning beekeeping in Texas. So we're going to check for the queen right now. It's a relatively warm day here, so kind of got it opened up. So I did see open brood on this frame, but no queen. So we're going to see together if they have accepted this queen or not. Let's see. No queen here. And gently put them down and flip. Oh, there she is. Let's see, can I find, there we go. There she is. Excellent. So this queen has been accepted. I do, oh, there she is right there. Alright, so I don't want to expose them to the colder air any longer than I have to. Excellent, excellent. Actually, we're going to face her in. Going to face her in towards the hive. Not that it matters, but... Alright, so that's that. Forgot my GoPro today and I'm using a knife instead of a hive tool. You know, you use what works, right? Well, just wanted to show you. She was accepted. So we've got the queen introduction spray here. A little weird working with a camera like this. So, so this did work. So excellent. YouTube still has my comments turned off, so please like and subscribe. You can always go to Golden Legion Honey on Facebook and comment, or you know, if you have any suggestions for videos, please let me know. I'm always one to try to help everybody out. I do experimenting, things like that, but I also kind of want to help you guys learn and you know, get you into beekeeping. So if there's anything you want me to show you, anything I haven't videoed yet, just let me know on facebook.com/Golden Legion Honey, I believe. All right, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.